Hey, let's go ride the bus! Okay, so riding the bus is really easy, but there are a few things that you need to know before you jump on the bus for your very first time. First of all, know where you're going. This might seem super obvious, but you'd be surprised at how many people hop on the bus without actually knowing where they're going. Second, know your bus route. Again, this seems super obvious, but sometimes buses go in directions that you don't expect, so plan out your route before you jump on the bus. Third, know your fare. As of the posting of this video, all subways and buses cost the same, $2.75, and there's a couple of different ways to pay. First, the Metro card.
Let's go!
It's a standard, tried and true method that most New Yorkers use. The second method is paying with your smartphone or smartwatch. There's a new system called the Omni system, and you just activate your Apple Pay or Google Pay or Android Pay or what have you, and pay from there. Also, sometimes those Omni sensors don't always work, so always have a backup method of payment. All right, that being said, let's go jump on the bus. So how do you let the driver know it's your turn to get off the bus? Easy. Just pull the yellow cord or push the red button.
That was easy.
Now that you know how to ride the bus like a pro, here's a few recommendations of apps that we really like to use when navigating the public New York bus system. First of all, the My MTA app is the official app of the New York public transit system. Inside the app, you're going to find all kinds of tips and tools and tricks to help you better navigate the New York public bus system. The next app we want to recommend is City Mapper. This app is easy to use, extremely intuitive, and gives you real-time updates as to where your bus is. It'll even let you know which side of the street you need to stand on when getting your bus. Now, my personal favorite app that I like to use for buses is Bus Checker. This app is a little bit more bare bones in that it doesn't give you tons of information about your buses, but what it does let you know is real-time where your buses are, how long it's going to take to get to your stop, and what routes your bus actually takes through the city. Now, the last thing I want to address is wheelchair accessibility. Every bus in New York City has a wheelchair accessible ramp that folds out. And once you get on the bus driver will securely lock your chair into place so that you're not wobbling around while you're on the bus. All right, so that's it. Now that you know how to ride and navigate buses in New York like a pro, I want to hear from you. What kind of videos do you want to see from me? Let me know in the comments section below as to what you want to see to help you navigate New York like a pro.